projects is to study how we actually give the autonomy, give the control of the data back to the end users. And I really believe in that we have to have the ability to manage our own personal cloud. And all the information, my health records, my credit card histories and stuff like that, I want to mine it for my own sake, and I don't want to put it up in the public cloud. And we're working on technology to make that easy.
I would just say that I think this is where the crossover and the blurring between the consumer access to the cloud and the corporate enterprise access to the cloud are two different drivers. And we're going to have this ongoing debate, I think, for a long, long time. If I bring it back to the IT-centric position, I think that's really why you're seeing a lot of the big brands, Oracle, Sun, IBM, HP, that have really not weighed in heavily on the public cloud. They really are kind of working with enterprises and companies to advocate the private cloud because of a lot of these same lockdown security issues that in a private cloud type of world are easier to manage for the clients. But I think you're right, you're raising an interesting point that that's one element of the access to the cloud. The consumer is a whole different animal. And I think we're going to be faced with that pressure and that separateness for a long period of time.
From a technology point of view, the kind of the technology you need to run a public cloud and a large enterprise are similar in many ways, right? And it is just a matter of when it comes to maybe the companies that cannot run their own data centers, and this is the way for them to go into the public cloud and leverage what is available out there. And I'm hoping that as technology gets better, then it is easier for people to host their own environment and not give up their data to some other entity.
Yeah, we had that before desktop computers, right?
What I want is to be able to centrally manage them and have the data to be available everywhere.
Well, I think we have time for one more, or I can. Yes, great.
I mean, I was kind of surprised listening to the panel. The opinion that I would walk away from listening to you as a panel was that we shouldn't do cloud computing. And I'm just surprised because, I mean, I've been involved with cloud computing for a long time and worked with various companies who do cloud computing, and there are certainly many ways that people can go about with the right security and with the right approaches that can make the data secure when it's out on the internet. And I just want to make sure that I'm not walking away with the wrong opinion. Do you or don't you support cloud computing?
Just make sure you use the word appropriate.
I was curious from the audience, were you walking away with the opinion that they were against cloud computing, or was I the only one?
They're just trying to make the point that everybody else's services are not as good as their own.
There you go.
Any final comments on what people should do today, both consumers and enterprises, people managing IT infrastructures, or investing in businesses? I mean, where are we today in the state of the development of this cloud, or clouds?
If I was in an IT department on the enterprise side, the number one thing I would do is start experimenting with public clouds, because that's what my IT infrastructure needs to look like.
To learn about cloud in general, or to move to public cloud?
Both.
Okay.
I would be moving some things, and I would be learning from that, because that's ultimately what my end users are going to demand.
Very good.
And I would immediately start looking at how to cloud enable what you are doing today, because in many places it is exactly appropriate, and it will save you a lot of money, but it doesn't happen by itself. You have to adjust processes, applications, etc. You need to start looking at that right now.
I think we're all addressing problems that truly exist.
Opportunities.
But they are opportunities that can be overcome. And that there are serious issues as we enter into this brave new world of everything being digital, that the high voice precedes the market. And we have to get very serious about answering tough questions. It's going to happen. It's going to be a reality. But we have to have the conversation on the right topics and not get caught up in the hype. Or you have the problem where Twitter gets broken into and it gets blown out of proportion. When a doctor's office can easily be burglarized. Those are things that you need to calm down the public with and say, let's move beyond the hype. And I think you're going to see a lot of enterprise really being the beginning stages of pushing the market out there, and then a lot of the startups and the suppliers are going to come in around that when they see they can make money, because they got to pay guys like him back.
I think the enterprise will drive it, and
HR and the IT organization, I just buy a bunch of Tibco software and services to make sure.
Really? Okay.
What I want to make is that the virtualization technology is available, and it means that we can take all legacy software, wrap it up, virtualize it, and put it in the cloud, and have it execute locally, by the way. And I think that that's a very important combination of technologies, virtualization and cloud computing.
Ken? Cuthbert?
I think it's just cloud to me is a journey. It's not an end state. It's just going to be an evolution of time. I just have to approach it with a maturity that it's going to take some time. We just need to make certain that it interoperates for value to all.
In this valley. Okay. Maturity. You heard it. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.